quickly nip over to another project now. So this is a demo project for some energy and highways. So this has got a few more markups in it, as you can see, and also a few more CAD objects. So you can see that you can overlay designs in here. So these obviously aren't real pylons here. They're designs of new pylons which could potentially go in to support the project. We've also got another type of aerial data integrated into this one. So this is aerial LiDAR here combined with photogrammetry. So the wider area you're seeing is photogrammetry, and then we flew aerial LiDAR over these pylons. And what you can immediately see is that if I turn off the LiDAR here, you'll see that the quality you get from photogrammetry compared to the LiDAR is, well, basically incomparable, particularly on the cables and on the structures here. Again, if I turn that off, you can see you're not getting much detail on the structure and the individual elements of that structure with photogrammetry, and with LiDAR you're able to get much more detail there. And then again, you can overlay your designs. So this is a solar project. So this is an example solar project where they're able to overlay their designs for this asset into the real world environment and essentially take their sort of decision-making process from weeks down to days and see all of their constraints as well. So it really gives you the visual context for how your asset's going to look from anywhere really. So if you wanted to go down here, maybe to the footpath that's down here, you'd be able to see that. You could go to other people's buildings as well. And finally, just in the 2D here, you can see how like more GIS information can be overlaid to give you some more contextual data. So you can see here that these red lines represent gas mains. So these are large gas mains operated by National Grid. Interestingly enough, you can see from the photogrammetry that there's some sort of disturbance on the ground actually, so you might be able to guess that they're there. But this is a really major problem for the industry. Utility strikes cause millions of pounds worth of delays and damage every year. And so having this information at your fingertips is really important. And other things like sort of ancient woodland and other things like 𝗙𝗏𝘃𝐼s enable bid teams to more accurately sort of manage their bids as well.